Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the door handle on a Vauxhall Corsa D. Be warned though, to do this job we need an expensive tool and it's called a sponge. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Okay, step one is to open the door. Next, pull the handle outwards, like so, then shove the sponge behind it to make sure it stays there. We now need to find a plastic cap on the inside of the door, specifically that one there. That cap needs to be removed, for which we need, hang on, a plastic prying tool. Here we go. And now the cap's been removed, we can peer through that hole and see a bolt. Here's a close-up. That bolt needs to be loosened but not, and I emphasise not removed, and for that we need a Torx bit, specifically a T15. So we're going to loosen the bolt until this part of the door handle can be slid out of place. Alright, so it's solid at the moment, so we'll continue to loosen the bolt. That's still solid, so we'll loosen it a bit more. Still solid, so a bit more. Starting to come loose now. Nearly there. And here it comes, see? A little bit more on the bolt. And now with a little bit of wiggling, this section can be removed. We can now remove the sponge, then slide the handle towards the back of the car, like so, lift it out from this end, and then pop it out from here, and that's it. As for buying a replacement handle, well, they're available on eBay second-hand, typically for £15 to £20. I had something else to say there, but it's completely gone out of my head. I've remembered what it was. It's a good idea at this point to keep the window open so we can access the interior door handle, because otherwise, bit tricky to get in. As for fitting the new door handle, it's the reverse of what I've already shown you. So pop in this end first, that's the one nearest the front of the car, and then pop in this end, which is near the back of the car, and then slide the handle forwards, like so. And now of course we need to replace this lock section, so that slides all the way in like so. But notice at this point the handle doesn't operate, it's just jammed in the outwards position, hence this gap. Don't worry though, to correct that all we have to do is tighten the bolt. And once the bolt is tight enough, the handle is going to automatically pop back into place and work normally. So keep an eye on it. Nearly there. Come on now. Bingo. That's it. Just replace the plastic cap over the bolt. And the job's done. Oh dear, I'm just editing the video that you're watching now, and I've noticed that I've forgotten to film a clip containing our usual outro, so here it comes now. Don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV, that makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time when hopefully I won't forget to film something. Bye bye.